How to perform system restore in Windows 8 operating system. Step 1. Go to the control panel by typing control panel in search menu. Step 2. Click on the system icon. Step 3. Go to the system protection option. Step 4. Select system restore option. Step 5. Select choose a different restore point and click on next. Note, by checking show more restore points, you can get more restore points. Step 6. From the list, select an earlier restore point and click on next. Step 7. When you pick a restore point, another thing you should do is click on the button to scan for any affected programs. The scan will determine what will be affected by the restore point you choose. Step 8. It brings up the results. It shows which programs and drivers that will be deleted and what programs will be restored. Step 9. Confirm the restore point and click on Finish. Step 10. Click on the Yes to the message saying that it cannot be undone until it is completed. Now the actual restoring process begins. You will see a series of messages display while the process completes and different things are being restored. The amount of time it takes to complete will vary between computers. After returning from the restart, you will have a message advising it was completed successfully. And that's how it is done.